following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 409, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means number 409, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Coshocton, Camden, Harrison, and Tuscarawas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions includes no weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current at 3